Hello, my YouTube friends. What y'all doing? Okay, so I finally was able to get a decent enough bed. I have to fix it. You know, I'm a seamstress, do small furniture pieces, so I'm going to fix that. Sweep and clean all that out. I have a sheet I can cover and staple around it, so. And I got my sink, but I got to pay somebody to put it in. But yay! Finally, things are coming along. Gotta get a 2-burner, that's coming soon. And tonight, I will not be sleeping on the floor. How about that? Thank you, Jesus, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't have to worry about that. So I'm gonna fix this up, get it all ready, and then I'll do a video afterwards to show you how nice I hooked it up. Because I can do that. Use your brain, use all your talents. You have talents, everybody has talents.